Putin, stop the war! Stop Putin, stop the war! И, пользуясь моментом, что я нахожусь в прямом эфире, скорее всего я вырежу этот момент, я бы хотел обратиться к Алексею Гончаренко, чтобы он посмотрел на дело Амины Герихановой и поддержал нашу сестру Амину Гериханову, которая ни в чем не виновна, которую задерживают румынские власти уже более 2 месяца. Хотелось бы попросить Алексею Гончаренко, чтобы он сделал какое-то обращение или письмо написал румынским властям, чтобы сделал какое-то влияние, потому что Амину Гериханову нельзя депортировать. В случае депортации Амины Герихановой ее будут пытать и, скорее всего, ее убьют. Я как простой человек, actually, from this moment I will speak in English. This message, I would like to address this message to Oleksiy Goncharenko, as you speak English, very good English. I've heard how you speaking English. My name is Abdul Malik. I am a Chechen refugee. I live in Britain. I've been living here for over 21 years now. My request is to pay attention on innocent lady Amina Gerikhanova, who has been arrested in Romania. She's a Ukrainian refugee. Actually, she's a twice refugee. She ran away from Chechnya because of the Kadyrov's atrocities, kidnappings, tortures, and rapings and killings of innocent people. She had to run away from occupied Chechen Republic of Ichkeria, and she flew to Ukraine. She found her refuge in Ukraine. She was working and living, residing in Ukraine in over past 4 years. But all we have witnessed how the Russia invaded another country. After killing 300,000 innocent Chechens, Russia invaded another country, Ukraine. So obviously, because of the second time war and abuse of human rights, Amina Gerikhanova had to run away from Ukraine, and she found a refuge in Ukraine. But again, when the Ukraine was attacked by Russia, she had to run away from Ukraine. And when she was entering Europe, Amina Gerikhanova was arrested in Romania by the Romanian authorities. Behind me, that building is in their Romanian consulate. So, my dear friend Oleksiy Goncharenko, I'm asking you to pay attention and help innocent lady Amina Gerikhanova and her 8-year-old son. Amina Gerikhanova is absolutely innocent woman. Russia fabricated illegally criminal case against Amina Gerikhanova, and Russia blames her being a terrorist and participating in terrorist actions doing in Syria, which is total lies. Amina is nothing to do with any terrorism. Amina is just a simple refugee who ran away from Chechnya once and then ran away from Ukraine second time. Amina is a twice refugee. So we're asking all competent people who can make some changes to help to free our country, our sister, our countrywomen, Amina Gerikhanova, to help to release her. Thank you. Как-то так, как наш брат говорит.